how to sign in Mimo app with Google. Want to jump into learning with a Mimo Superfast? Google sign in is your quickest ticket in. First things first, open up your Mimo app, which is over here. Tap on it. Now once you're inside on the app, you will see a profile icon in bottom right corner. Tap on it. And over there you will see an option for create profile. Simply tap on it. And that will give you two options. First one is sign up with the Google or sign up with the emails. Simply tap on sign up with the Google. Choose the account that you want to associate with the Mimo app. As you can see, it has successfully signed in into the Mimo app using my Google account. So that's pretty much of it. You have successfully signed in using your Google account. Now you are in, ready to start coding and learning amazing skills. Easy peasy, right? Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.